Hello dear students, welcome to the YouTube channel of Profound EduTech. So we are back here once again with you with one more exciting campus update for you all. Of late, many companies have been recruiting through various project competitions, coding competitions, hackathons, real world problem solving competitions, etc. And in the similar way, Hero Motocorp, they have been coming up with a Hero Campus Challenge initiative every year. And today we are here to give you the information about this initiative, the Hero Campus Challenge Season 6 for 2021 and 2022 batch. That is for the students who are in final year and pre-final year. So this is about the company. It doesn't need any special introduction, as you know that Hero Motocorp, it is a leading two-wheeler bikes manufacturing company. They are headquartered at Delhi, and they are at the forefront of designing and developing technologically advanced motorcycles and scooters. They became world's largest two-wheeler manufacturer in 2001, and they have been maintaining this since last 18 years. They have more than 90 million satisfied customers across the globe, and they have been able to expand their presence to 37 countries across various continents like Asia, Africa, South America, and Central America. In order to get more details about them, you may visit their website www.heromotocorp.com. Yes, so as I mentioned, Hero, they have come up with their Hero Campus Challenge 2020, and these are the details about the same. It is an excellent opportunity for 2021 batch and 2022 batch students to gain an insight about the world of Hero and to be a part of it by working on Hero's real business challenges. So these can be either particular problem-based challenges or scenario planning exercises to settle on Hero's long-term strategy. So participants, they are expected to analyze past trends and other disruptions from the present world while keeping in mind how it would impact Hero Motocorp, and then present their feasible and actionable solution to the current scenario. Yes, so as far as eligibility is concerned for this campus challenge of Hero, these are the details. 2021 batch and 2022 batch, that is those who are in final and pre-final year, these students are eligible, and the eligible educations qualifications are BE, BTech, all the engineering colleges of India, they are eligible for this campus challenge. And as far as ME, MTech are concerned, all the students from IITs and IISc Bangalore, they are eligible to apply and participate in this challenge. And yes, they are also looking for the MBA and PGDM students, the first and final year students from 2-year PGDM or MBA programs, they are eligible to apply. So in order to get more details about this campus challenge of Hero and to apply for it, you are advised to visit this particular link. It's bit.ly/profound hero. So in order to get more details and to apply for this campus challenge, please visit bit.ly/profound hero, PROFOUNDHERO. So I hope that you have found this video interesting and useful for you. And in order to get more such updates, I request you to be in touch with all our social networking sites. We are available on Facebook through a Facebook page, and we have 51,000 likes on our Facebook page where we keep posting various updates. Yes, we are also available on YouTube through a YouTube channel. And in order to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please visit this URL. It's bit.ly/profound life. And once you visit there, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon in order to get all our updates regularly and instantly. We are also available on Telegram. And as far as website is concerned, our website is www.profoundedutech.com. So Profound EduTech, we are leading IT training company, and we have presence across various cities, and we are well known for quality trainings as well as strong placement support. And if you are willing to get upgraded in your IT skills, or if you know your friends, your classmates, those who want to get upgraded in their IT skills, and those are looking for quality placements, do recommend them about Profound EduTech. We guarantee you the best quality trainings as well as strong placement support. So thank you, students, for viewing this video, and hope to see you once again with a similar update for you. Thank you so much.